Hi Jim, I'm Beth Wheeler. Nice to meet you. I'm going to take you on a very quick D2L tour, so just bear with me while I remind you about a few things. From the home page, you can log in by clicking D2L if you don't want to log in to eWolf, and then the S number and the log password that you use are the same that you use for eWolf, so you can bypass a couple of clicks if you just click on that D2L. So again, I'll just show you why that's loading. Click here on D2L and it takes you to the D2L login page, which is where I was just logging in. Again, same S number, same password that you use for eWolf. Alright, so I understand you were having trouble finding your D2L courses for your, is that right, 8 welding courses? Wow, that's a lot of classes. So I talked to one of our awesome instructional design coaches, and she has fixed some things for you, and then let me show you what she's fixed. First of all, she has made it so all of your courses will show up here where I'm sort of moving my mouse around under the My Courses, so you'll see each of your courses listed here. And I'm just looking at this English class I taught in the summer. Yeah, I'm just making sure you can see your section numbers there because that might help you to distinguish between your courses. Just trying to make sure that your distinct D2L shells are distinguishable for you. So they should be here now. And the other thing you can do to find your courses, if you don't like looking for them under here in this, this icon-based My Courses column, that you could also click on what we're calling the waffle. So I just clicked on this little waffle looking thing. It's making me hungry. I haven't had lunch. At the top of the screen, and what the instructional designer did for you is she pinned. So you can click on the pin next to the courses that you're currently teaching so that you're not scrolling through just a maze of courses that you've taught in the past. So when you click on the pin, it moves it to the top. And if you unclick the pin that's darkened, you see here, it moves it down to the list down here. So you should be able to navigate that easily now because that's already set up for you. And all the courses were available to you. Probably it was just hard for you to see all of them in that list. Okay, so just very quickly, let me just move into, I'll click into the course that I taught in the summer just to give you a quick tour. I'm only at 2 minutes, 37 seconds, so I'll try to do this in under 30. So just want to show you under course materials, this looks a little different than the old version that just had that black bar with a couple of buttons on it. So under course materials, there's content and class list. So content is where I recommend that you add your syllabus. If you click on content, when you arrive to content, the table of contents will be available to you. However, many things will not be listed there because it's a brand new course for you. So you'll have to, I have to scroll way down to do this, but you'll have to add a module and maybe add a syllabus page and whatever other materials you want to add here. So let me just show you another thing. If you click back on the link to the course that you've entered into by clicking on that waffle in the list of courses, you know, you're going to go, you navigate the different courses by clicking on the waffle and going in and out of the different courses. If you click on the link at the top of your page, it takes you back to the announcements page. I use announcements with my students, you see, to remind them about things that are due, etc. You may not be using that, but I just wanted to show you how you get back to that first page where we entered into the course. Under activities, assignments is what we're now calling the Dropbox. So if you have students upload any files to turn things in, that's where you can do that. So this is now the assignment Dropbox. Discussion board is here. And I don't know if you use groups or quizzes, but I'm just showing you where the different tools are. Under progress, this is where you can get access to the grade book and to the attendance register if you need that. Other things you might want to use with students, make sure you show them all the on-campus support services available, and some of these are even online. There's an online writing center, for instance. Tech support for you and your students. There are tutorials that students need to know how to use D2L and also tutorials for you. And then course administration takes you to a page where you can disable tools and whatnot. So again, if I want to get back to that home page, I can click here, but of course we have the drop-down menu items always available to us on any page. So even if I went back to content, where I'm recommending you upload your syllabus, I still have access to all of those drop down menus, so I can get to, you know, instructor tutorials from here, or I can get to, let's go to grades from here, etc. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any questions, or if you'd like me to come on campus to show you how to do any of this stuff in D2L in more detail, rather than just giving you a quick tour, I'd be happy to do that. Just email me at beth.wheeler@frontrange.edu, or give me a call at 303-678-3725, and I'd be happy to come over to your high school campus and do that. Take care, Jim.